Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious guacamole at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Don't forget 1 small jalapeno, 1 lime, and some salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mashing. Carefully cut your 3 avocados in half. Remove the pits and scoop the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork or a potato masher to gently mash the avocado until it reaches your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others smoother. Then, stir in the chopped onion, cilantro, and minced jalapeno. This is where the magic happens, flavoring your guacamole. Squeeze the fresh juice from 1 whole lime directly over your mixture. This brightens the flavor and helps prevent browning. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust. Feel free to add a pinch of ground cumin or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. Your homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with crispy tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a topping for your favorite dishes. If you have any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to minimize air exposure. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain its vibrant color and fresh taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.